Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your very own tekkit server. Okay, first thing we need to go to google.co.uk, and in Google type tekkit, and the first link you should see is www.technicpack.net/tekkit. Click on that, and you'll be brought to this page. I'll scroll down until you see Get Tekkit Classic. Just so you know, this will set up a tekkit Classic server, not the other type. And then click on Download the tekkit Classic server. Now it will start downloading. However, I've already downloaded it, so I'm gonna cancel that and go to my downloads folder. Where your downloads are, you want to actually no, don't do that there. Go to your downloads folder by just typing downloads, and you'll have this compressed zip file. And basically you just wanna do right click, extract all, and just put it in your downloads if you want. You can have it wherever you want, your desktop or anywhere you like, and to do extract. Right, now it's going to start extracting it. Shouldn't take too long. And as you can see, there's another folder here now. It's not compressed. And it's just extracting the files from this one and putting it into this one. Sorry about this. It takes a little while. So slow. I just see. Oh, it's nearly done. Come on. This is ridiculous. Right. Okay. So now we've extracted the files. Basically, we're just going to cut this. I'm going to put it on our desktop so it's easier to find. Right. So now we have the tekkit server files, and basically we just want to open up that, and we want to now that you've got all these files, you need to launch this. You can launch this and you'll get this command, the command prompt. However, it will say, as you can see here, there was an error, and that is sometimes because of your RAM. To fix this problem, you simply do right click, edit, and run, and your notepad will open up. And here, this bit here is the amount of RAM you're setting to let the server use. See, I don't have very much RAM on my computer, I only have a gig, so I'm just going to put a gig in. It's probably not smart to put all of your RAM in, so maybe 2 gig less or a gig less or anything like that, but I'm just going to leave it like this for demonstration purposes. And for here, because mine's a gig, I need to put 500 megabyte and change this to an M, but I'm not. I'm gonna do that, but basically this number will be half of this. So say you had 4G here, you're gonna use 4 gig. You're gonna put in here. You're just gonna put 2G. You can see. But I'm gonna put 500 M. But you do it how you need to do it, and then just save it. Exit it. Now run it again, and it should work. As you can see, it's now starting to do some stuff and just some crap. And then in here is now making. You'll see more files appear. Now you just want to wait for it to do this, but in the meantime, I'm going to show you the properties thing. So down here, you're going to have a file called server, and if you go across to type, it's called a properties file. You need to find the properties file because there's another one called which is a text document. If I double click that, it will open with Notepad. However, this doesn't always happen, so to make sure this happens for you, just do right click, properties, and where it says opens with, do change, and just set it to Notepad. And now just open this, and now you have lots of different things you can change for your server. For example, you could turn the never off by just simply putting false instead of true. Level name, flight if you can fly on the server, port, level types, the seed if you have one. Here we have the IP. This is rather important. This will be your IP address. To find that out, you will just do start cmd. It's taken a while to load. And do IP config. I'm not going to do this because I don't want you to see my IP. But you'll type that in, press enter, and it'll be something called IP4 address. And basically you copy that, or just type it in and put it in here into this server. You just put it here and type it in, and then just change any other settings you'd like. Here, build height and NPCs and all this other stuff you can change. And to stop this, to stop the server, close it. And if you change anything, which just and just save that. Obviously, you'll have your IP here, and launch that. Launch this again. So just double click on, and it will do the same thing again. And as you can see here, this is what we typed in earlier. Oh, it's gone. This bit, these. Oh, it's probably gonna keep going away, but yeah, this is the stuff we did earlier. And now that it's running, it should just work. And all you have to do is go on tekkit and type in the IP, and it should work fine. And then when you want to turn off the server, all you have to do is type stop, and that's it. Your server should run fine. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you have any problems, please leave a comment below, and goodbye.